Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I'm at Argenson Park. And it sounds like there's a train coming near the Butler Street. It's Butler Street over there. Yeah, I can hear it now. And I just got here in this blizzard or mini snowstorm. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a heavy freight in the snow. It's cool too because I just got here. Like I literally walked out of the metro station at Charlevoix and I wasn't even here 2 minutes. This is awesome timing. So I should say the date and time. So this is Sunday, the 20th of December 2020, and I think it's around 2:30 p.m. So really a lucky find here. Came here kind of on a whim. And this whim is paying off. This train is headed eastbound. Headed towards Southwark Yard and St. Charles Yard, and probably heading to the South Shore, though, I would imagine, over the Victoria Bridge. It's probably the first train I got this year at a blizzard, that's for sure. And the buzz you can probably hear is from overhead power lines. I got a hydro pylon right beside me. Sounds like a DPU unit is heading towards us. There it is. ES44, it looks like. Yeah, something is rubbing the rails wrong. That Canadian Pacific auto rack squealing around the bend. There's Butler Street over there. Those little bridges where I've filmed many trains. Snow's coming down harder than ever now. But the temperature is only -2 and no wind, so very much a good day in keeping with winter. Good day for train spotting. Looks like a Providence and Worcester auto rack over there. They're pretty rare, especially since Providence and Worcester was taken over by Genesee and Wyoming. Okay, looks like that's the end of the train. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.